back.
I know. Yeah, I think he hasn't rode one in 17, 18 years. He sold it before we started the shop, well before. Just having fun on a Sunday. He's going back to New York soon, so I had to have him at least try one of the 500s out before he went back.
You know, that's the only good thing for stress right there is touch off one of those.
500s.
And it cures your stress problem every time.
Yeah, it does. I feel better. I haven't rode a 500 in what, like 17, 18 years? Dude, he used to be captain CR500. He handled the 450 big wheel pretty well. Well, guys, I was a vagina today, and I had to put my boot on. I'm gonna have this. Did you get me going by earlier? Yeah. Nice. Yeah, I think he hasn't rode one in 17, 18 years. He sold it before we started the shop, well before. Fucking Scott. He's feeling it now. I don't think, yeah, he hasn't rode a big wheel on the pavement either, especially not a 500. Scott's a big guy, so he always rode a 500. Dude, you got the hairdo again. Remember the last video when your hair was all back like that? What do you think?
The feelings are coming back.
I know. I said in the video, I was like, he's a big guy, so he always rode a 500, and it's true, man. Like, this first time I rode at your track, you were ripping a 500. Yeah, it's different riding a big wheel. Definitely tones the bike down a little bit, but it's still fast. Yup.
Run even better when the second time down.
Yeah, it's
starting to pull on harder and harder.
Oh yeah, God, it's been way too long since we started the 500. It's just been a showpiece in the showroom. Yep, 2021 500 big wheel, pretty sick.
Feels good.
I haven't even taken it out in the dirt yet, really. All right, well, I'll hop on it and go back and forth a couple times, and we'll call it good.
If I can get off it.
Just lean it over, I'll hold it. Yep, Sunday fun day. Should be taking these out in the dirt, but they're kind of semi still for sale, so we haven't really beat on them too bad. But nobody's really came up with the cash yet, so it's cool. I'll just keep staring at them. They're fun to look at, fun to ride every once in a while when we get time. You can ride this one in one of our other videos. I'll post a link. I think it was awesome. Yeah, the poor thing just was sitting up in the showroom at the other shop, doing nothing. So, yep. Good way to get the blood pumping, right, Scott? Fun. I want one again.
Oh, right here for sale.
It's only been 18 years. Cool. Well, I guess that's today's video. Cruising around, getting breakfast, coming to the shop, and ride the 500s for a couple minutes. Just let everybody know that we are still alive. Just haven't been making videos much, been really busy. But
Back at it this week.
got a million emails on these, and honestly, this thing right here is kind of a unicorn. It starts with a $12,000 bike, and then you're just adding dollar signs to it just to get it where it's at. Got over 30 grand in this thing right here, if you add it up on paper. But that's part of the benefits of doing it myself. I get to save on that end of it. But to replicate this, it's crazy money. So we're trying to come up with a way to get it cheaper. We need to come up with our own frame, basically our own chassis. We're already making all the other components. And I think it's time we start making billet cases, just so we're not hunting for engine cases all the time, and go from there. But hopefully we can get the cost down on these, because I think everybody would enjoy it, as long as they can kickstart it.
Yeah.
I almost couldn't today, man. Should have ate my Wheaties today. Well,
You know, that's the only good thing for stress right there is touch off one of those.
500s.
And it cures your stress problem every time.
Yeah, it does. I feel better.
I do too.
Oh man, yeah, you guys are you're gonna love this one. I don't know how the frame's gonna do with the vibration, being it's older, but this is a 500, so it's gonna be sick. So this guy's gonna be curing some stress with his too. Man, these things, they made me work for it today starting them. They haven't been started in a couple months, handful of months, since the last videos that we posted. What a freaking blast. But if they don't sell, I'll be taking them out in the dirt soon. Dude, it's smoky in here still.
Tomorrow morning and have a good day when you smell that first.
Yeah, come into work and smell that. I'll insert a clip of when you rode that other CR500 flogging down your driveway. Oh man, I'm telling you, you had that same exact hairdo as the other clip. I'm not even kidding. It's an iconic fucking Scott Denton hairdo. So, no helmet, your hair looks like you went through a wind tunnel. Tell me about your first ride.
I love it.
It's pretty cool, right?
It's awesome.
Coming from your CR500 past, it's a little different, but...
So we built the CR500 big wheel.
This is plenty.
Okay.
This is plenty.
All right, guys, we're out of here. Just having fun on a Sunday. He's going back to New York soon, so I had to have him at least try one of the 500s out before he went back. Like I said, he had a 500, God, years and years ago before I even started my business. So, what did we say, 18 years since you rode one? 17 years? It's a long time. So, anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, just trying to get some content for you guys. Been super busy, but got tons of videos coming, so stay tuned. See you in the next one.